Pwede rin.
Tingnan natin kung maraming tao. Wala. Parang hindi naman pumasok. Counterflow ka, Brad. Anong meron? Field trip? No?
Makifield trip ka rin.
Ha?
Wala ka makikifield trip din tayo.
Ay, dami school bus.
Kaya nga. Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Mangingisda ang person. Yan, tulog muna sila. Mamaya yan sila arangkada. Hi everyone! Yay! Welcome back to me sa pag-vlog. Ayan, wala pa tayong suklay. Bigla ang lakad. Bigla na lang naisipang mangisda ng asawa ko. Kaya ayan, mag-change lang tayo dahil hindi ako nagsuot ng paborito kong eyelashes. Ayan, forma tayo ng pang jogging. Jogging? Hi, Bilbil. Baka dito makapag-exercise dahil kanina hindi ko nagawa dahil tinatamad ako. So, ayan. See you later. Ano kaya nangyari? Ba't bumalik? Ano nangyari?
Tayo dun sa pwesto na namin.
Oh, hindi dito sa paseo?
Ha?
Hindi dito sa paseo?
Ano na?
Hindi dito?
Hindi.
Okay.
Doon sa kabila.
Okay, lipat tayo ng spot. Ayan. Mga gising na. About my little one here. Still sleeping. Okay.
The little one.
The little one, your little sister. Sleeping.
You forgot the sunglasses for the beach.
Oh, yeah? Okay, next time I'm gonna bring, okay? How's your sleep?
Good.
I'm gonna bring next time. Okay?
Okay, mommy.
Oh! Wow, Bana is woke up already!
Mommy, Bana's a new student from Head Start.
Oh, yeah. Bana, are you ready to go to Head Start?
Not yet.
Why?
Got to start the beach.
Okay. Bana will go fishing too because she also has a... What's that?
That's why fishing rod.
Oh, toy fishing rod. Are you gonna catch a fish like daddy?
Okay.
Yay! Okay. There is daddy. New spot. Oh, see?
Mommy, why everyone gave Mommy? Mommy, why the little?
What?
Why the moms giving birth to babies?
Because mom and dad wants to have a baby. Kids, children, like Avery and Vanna. Okay, English tayo for today's video.
What?
Why? What happened? What happened?
I don't want to sit down.
Why? You wanna go play outside now? Are you ready, guys?
Yes, mommy.
Oh.
I don't want to sit down. Daddy.
Okay, let's go! Yeah. Ayan guys, wala nang araw. Pwede na tayong mag-exercise banda dun, there. Sa bahay. Bahay? Ayan, di tayo makalabas. Kailangan pindutin. Ayan. Aray ko. Pahirapan. Bakit ayaw? Ay, hala.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
how we get our own
Hit me, baby, one more time.
baby.
There you go. Aray ko. Ah.
Baby, one more time.
Oh my God.
Mommy say that.
Hindi kayo makalabas, guys. So, aray ko. Kailangan pumunta sa unahan para dito magbukas sa pintuan. So, ayan, guys. Oh, there you go. Nabuksan na natin. Hold on, guys.
What did you get that thing? I fired that off.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, yeah.
A baby first. I'm gonna bring your toy. Wait for me and stay there, ah. Ano ko yung sakit?
Is that your fishing rod? You gonna catch fish?
Daddy, why not you get that?
Don't go under the coconut tree because the coconut gonna fall down. Okay?
Just stay here, guys.
Don't go there, it's gonna fall down.
Ayan ang view. Dito. Pag next time, pwede pala kayo maligo dyan.
Okay. Magpipishing kami dito.
Saan kami banda doon?
Oh.
Ooh.
Mommy,
Yes.
watch out. You're gonna fall down.
Yeah, just sit down.
My water bottle. I don't want
Ana, sit down here. Takulit. You wanna go where? You cannot go there.
May dala din siya fishing rod. You wanna catch a fish? Like daddy?
It's so big.
Like this?
It's so big.
Yes.
It's not mine.
Kutimoy.
A coconut.
A coconut nut is a giant nut. Hi guys, Char.
You gonna watch.
Anong plano mo? Diyan sa kabila. Yan po ang manghuli ng isda. Yan po. Mapapahiya daw siya pag wala huli. Wag ko na kuna ng video. Fish on! Sige daw. Sige daw, be. Hey guys, don't go over there, okay? Stay here. Daddy, what? I didn't hear you. Come here. Come here, tell mommy.
That didn't catch a fish.
Binuli pa, inasar pa.
What is the pilot?
Inasar pa, daddy. Sabi, daddy didn't catch a fish daw. Inasar ka pa na Ibre. Sabi, daddy didn't catch a fish. One more time. Let's try another one. Tell daddy better luck next time.
Yeah. It's a windy.
Ay, nag-ipon ka na, Bana. What's that?
It's a zebra.
Oh, it's a leaves.
Don't break something.
Okay.
Got some leaves.
So, dito na lang tayo mag-stay. Hindi na tayo pupunta doon. Dito na lang ako mag-exercise. Ganyan. At mag-chill tayo ng very light. So, tayo dito. Okay guys, mag-exercise na tayo.
Tapos nakatak ng putik ko na. Bisayan na. Naiwan ko yung yoga mat. Hindi ako makapag lower abs workout. Fish on! Bana! What's inside the bucket?
Doo-doos. Chill, chill. Feed. Grab. Mommy.
Hey, where are you going? Come back! Come back, Jack! Come back! Ayan po siya guys. Magagabi na. Wala pa ring huli. Da pa more. Bana, where are you going?
Daddy.
I know how to count good.
Yeah, teach baby Bana how to count good.
Danny 1, Danny 2, Danny 3, Danny 4, Danny 5, Danny 6, Danny 7. Bana, I will count. Bana, I will count 0 to 100. Only